How to hide Threads badge on Instagram profile. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. You will land to your profile. At the bottom, you will find different icons. Head towards the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. When you connect your Instagram account to the Threads, you will get this badge in your Instagram profile. This is the ID based on your rank, which depends on when you join the app. If this badge is bothering you and you want to remove it, all you have to do is tap on it. An option will pop up as View Threads Profile and Hide Badge. Now to hide this badge, you can just tap on this option of Hide Badge. Keep in your mind that once you hide badge from your Instagram profile, there is no way to unhide it. So still, if you want to continue with the process, tap on the option of Hide Badge. You can't add it back to your profile once you have removed it. Tap on Remove Badge and with that, badge will be removed. So this is how you can hide Threads badge from your Instagram profile. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.